Time to change the oil in the Pioneer. Letting it run a little while so the oil will heat up. Dad decided to take it through the spot where he got the tractor stuck. He picked it up today. Guess I'll give it a washing after I get done changing the oil. Alright, first thing, make sure you got your wrench turned right. Take this cover off. 4 bolts, 10 millimeter. I think just about everything on these Hondas are 10 millimeter. Well, majority of it. Once you get all of those taken out, slide your plate out of the way. Pretty sure it's 17. Yep. And this is a little warm. All right, this is hot. Oops. That'll work. And let's take the seat off. Remove the fill cap. Now let's go around the other side and take off the filter. From this side, filter is 12 millimeter. Be careful taking this off. There's springs, bolt, washer. I got the bolt out. This might not be a one-handed job. I need a screwdriver. I'll leave my bolt in just far enough to hold it. Use a screwdriver, prise on it just a little. Let's see if we can get it out. Be sure when you do it not to damage this O-ring. when you get your old filter off, if I can do it one-handed, there you go. You'll have a washer right here. Don't lose that washer. You have your spring. My hands are covered in oil, so I'll go ahead and put a little oil, remove the washer. Fit it back down. Be careful at the Honda shop when you go. They sold me 3 washers that I don't need. I didn't know it until I just grabbed a box right now. I'm also changing the oil in the Honda four-wheelers. So, yeah, they got an extra $6 off of me. They'll do that. Let's put it back on. New filter. Put in there where the old one was. Try to line up your bolt. Sometimes you can spin the whole thing. Maybe. I had to put the camera down. That was a two-handed job getting that started. Just tighten up your bolt, not just real tight. And let's put the plug back in. Put that bolt back in there. Back to the 17. The oil calls for 10W30, 3.1 quarts. Make sure you clean your filter out first. And don't do like I'm doing and overfilling it. It will come out around the edges. See? Oops. Might have to add just a hair more than 0.1 of a quart. That's not much. A little oil looks like a lot. I know it's overkill on this funnel, but it's the only one I had here. Got a helper coming. All right, and 1/10 of this quart, which isn't but about 3.2 ounces. We should be good. Put the oil cap on. Let's crank it up. set my trip meter. Let it run for a second. We'll cut it off and check the oil. And there's the dipstick. You can see the level. It's in between the marks. I'll put just a hair more in it. Before I put all my covers back on, I go around, wipe up any messes I made. You're gonna get oil in here. If your side-by-side is under warranty, you need to get your odometer reading and your engine hours. Keep it on the receipt, put it in your service manual. Even if it's not, it's still a good idea to do it. That way you have a record of it. And that's it. Ride it around, check the oil in a little bit, and have fun.